Hi, I'm Donna Roberts with eXp Realty, and I would like to introduce you to this beautiful home that is going on the market this weekend. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an office, all on a single level on a large, almost 3rd-acre lot here in beautiful Lacamas Shores, Camas, Washington. What do you know about Lacamas Shores? Do you know that Lacamas Shores sits on the site of the Lacamas Lake with trails all around it? We have kayaking clubs, you can launch your boat, you can play 18 holes of golf on the beautiful Camas Meadows golf course, playground, soccer fields, it's all here in beautiful Camas. So come on inside, let's take a look at this house.